Why do 60% of people yawn when someone else does? Because yawns are social glue and brain resets. Stay with me for the quick science. Myth first. Yawning isn't just about being sleepy. It's partly social. Seeing a yawn triggers mirror neurons. Hearing a yawn triggers mirror neurons. Those mirror neurons make you copy the yawn. A deep inhale stretches the jaw. It stretches the throat. It boosts blood flow. It brings cooler air into the skull. That cools and sharpens alertness. So next time you yawn in public, blame your brain's thermostat and your social wiring. Quick tip: a cold sip of water actually helps stop one.